Here we are doing an L1 balloon kyphoplasty. Here you can see the skin incision and the corresponding CM. This is the stab incision that we take, and this is almost 4mm incision. Now here we can see the pedicle is being pierced. We will try to go a little medial. Shoot. And we will just leave 10% of the medial border. Shoot. Here we can see both the pedicle right and left side of the L1 is being cannulated. You can see the C-arm photo. Now we will turn the patient's the C-arm into the lateral position and confirm the entry. So now we can see on the C-arm, both the AP and the lateral shoot. We can still see in the AP that a little bit of the middle border is left, and the cannulation of one side is already done, and the other one is just at the border of the pedicle and the body. So we can go a little medially so that whole of the vertebral body is involved. Beyond that, the cannulation is being done. Now the dum CD will be replaced by the bone introducer. Now we can see that the K wire is being held by the sister, and I'm removing the dum CD. Now we see that this is a K wire, Fian. That is the position of the K wire instead of the jump CD. Now we will put the introducer. Now we can see the hammering of the introducer is done. Shoot. Shoot. Once it has breathed inside the body, the K wire is removed and it is pushed a little further. Shoot. Now it will be repeated on the opposite side. Now this is the bone drilling device. Now we'll introduce and drill the bone up to the anterior part of the cortex. Shoot. 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 Here you can see on the C-arm, the complete width of the vertebral body is being drilled up till almost the anterior border of the vertebra. It will be repeated on the opposite side. Now this is a balloon, this is an inflator. Now we are going to introduce it. C-arm. C-arm. And we can see the balloon is completely inside the body with the two dots, the radio opaque markers shown. Now we will incate it. Pressure. Two. Two. Now we can see the balloon has gone into the area of the body that has been fractured and it can be seen as a circular structure inside the vertebral body. You further incate it to just stay so that the anterior, the superior border does not break. Shoot. Ready for the cement insertion. This is the cement introducer with the cannula or cement pusher. Now we push inside one side. Cute. Now we can see that it is inside the body. Now we'll push the cement. Shoot. Show the C. You can see the cement coming, the dark black color. Shoot. Now we can see the almost complete cement is inserted inside the vertebra, plugging the factor. Almost no leak. A little bit of flex has gone into the vertebral space. I will just giving the final touching. Shoot. 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 That's the final result. And after the solidification is done, these bone introducers will be removed. We can see the incision after the closure of the L1 kyphoplasty and the final result on the C-arm. Absolutely no leakage of any kind, and the full L1 vertebra has been restored with bone cement.